A township in eastern China, Fengchao was celebrated for its community-level social governance in the 1960s. 6 decades on, the Fengchao experience is still regarded as the model for resolving social disputes. Chinese President Xi Jinping pays great attention to the Fengchao experience. The Fengchao experience first came into being in the early 1960s as an exemplary local practice in dispute settlement.
做到小事不出声，大事不出阵，矛盾不上交。
60 years ago, Chairman Mao Zedong gave an instruction to promote and learn from the Fengchao experience. In 2003, Xi Jinping, who was then party chief of Zhejiang, required that the Fengchao experience be highly valued and the practice promoted and updated. In 2013, President Xi urged party committees and governments at all levels to resolve disputes and problems bearing on the immediate interests of the people in accordance with the rule of law, and to uphold and promote Fengchao experience.
总书记为什么对枫桥纪念这么重视呢？因为枫桥纪念它的精神是专群众路线，发动群众，依靠群众。
Over the years, the essence of Fengchao experience has been constantly enriched with innovative methods of grassroots governance.
3上3下主要是针对村里的一些重大事项，广泛征求老百姓的意见建议。村联委会会经过老百姓的意见建议，得出一个初步的方案。那下一阶段呢，我们会通过党员议事会、民主恳谈会，将这个方案进行不断的细化、完善好它。
丰源村呢，实现成立了5加 X 社会组织，就让大家参与到里面来治理。譬如说，我们有一个580志愿服务队，当老百姓有事情的时候，马上当这个580志愿服务队。
Innovative methods like these have not only pooled people's wisdom, but also enhanced their awareness as guardians of the community. This, in turn, has brought about visible improvements in Fengyuan.
坚持发展枫桥经验以来，那我们环境卫生也越来越好了，基础建设也越来越好了，我们也有了很多发展的一个机会。年轻的也慢慢的开始回来了，为自己家乡做一些事项了，我们生活水平也渐渐在提高。
我们村子治安比较好，就是邻里纠纷非常少的，关系非常和谐了。对这个枫桥经验工作，我们村民老百姓都非常支持的。
In September 2023, President Xi came to Fengchao town during an inspection tour to Zhejiang. He pointed out that the Fengchao experience in the new era should be well practiced and developed. The internal disputes among the people should be handled correctly by adhering to the party's mass line and staying close to the people, so that problems can be solved in their initial stage. Yang Guangzhao, a 73-year-old expert mediator in Fengchao, is one of many who met President Xi during this trip. Yang has been engaged in mediation work in Fengchao for over 30 years, and after retirement, continues to lead a mediation center bearing his name.
随着时代的发展呢，现在呢，老百姓的法律意识提高了。新时代枫桥经验呢，是一个以人为本的化解矛盾的一个经验，也是呢我们社会治理的一个样板。我们把枫桥经验融入到基层的社会治理当中去。 依法来处理国内矛盾纠纷。
Though Fengchao experience originated from a small town, over the years this approach has been widely promoted in many other parts of the country.
我们以民法典为基准，对咱们群众动之以情，晓之以理，把矛盾化解在基层当中。
通过我们的居民权来反映问题，我们第一时间回答，第一时间解决。10条工程解决了我们搬迁居民的问题，增强我们老百姓的获得感、幸福感。
In the new era, the Fengchao experience has been constantly enriched and applied to nearly all aspects of the social governance, such as law enforcement, economy, culture, ecology, and more. On November 6, 2023, President Xi met in Beijing with representatives of model units that have applied the Fengchao model for promoting community-level governance. Xi encouraged them to carry on their work and further develop the Fengchao model for promoting community-level governance in the new era. He called for efforts to make greater contributions to advancing the Peaceful China initiative to a higher level.
我认为新时代枫桥经验，它实际上是我们党 治国理政的一个重大的一个起点，是中国特色集成社会治理、促进社会平安和谐的一个重要的法宝。枫桥经验60年来，在新时代仍然具有强大的生命力。